Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, February 20th, 2025, covering market moves in tech, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech sector indexes were mostly down today. The Nasdaq 100 fell 107.54 to 22,068, while the Nasdaq Composite dropped 93.89 to 19,962. The healthcare sector bucked the trend, gaining 9.42 to 1,712. Despite today's declines, very strong positive trends continue across tech indexes. Market breadth shows mixed signals. The Nasdaq 100 saw more advancers than decliners at 69 to 31, while the broader Nasdaq Composite had more decliners at 1,722 versus 1,456 advancers. Healthcare showed strength in daily advances despite broader monthly weakness. The technology sector leads year-to-date returns, up 5.3% for the month. The healthcare sector shows strong weekly gains of 1.6%, while communication services lags with a monthly decline of 2.1%, despite positive year-to-date performance of 6.7%. Texas Instruments led gainers, rising 7.64 to 203.96, showing strong upward volatility and 6 consecutive up days. Gilead Sciences hit new one-year highs for the second straight day, gaining 2.38 to 110.3. Mercado Libre advanced 34.68 to 2,110. Looking at returns, Texas Instruments leads the week with an 11.4% gain. Gilead Sciences shows impressive monthly returns of 13.2%. Mercado Libre maintains the strongest year-to-date performance, up 24.1%. AppLovin led decliners, dropping 44.16 to 450.1, down 8.9%. Axon Enterprise showed strong downward volatility, falling 51.61 to 541.81. DoorDash and Palantir both declined about 5%, though both maintain very strong positive trends. Despite today's declines, AppLovin maintains a 21.8% monthly gain. Axon Enterprise shows the largest weekly decline at 20.7%. Palantir, despite today's drop, leads monthly returns among this group with a 28.8% gain. Technology ETFs showed mixed performance today. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF continued its strength, marking its fifth consecutive positive close at 257.80, up 0.46. The QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both edged lower, with QQQ at 537.21, down 2.31, and VGT at 641.51, down 2.15. All maintain very strong positive trends. Looking at returns, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads the group with a 5.8% month-to-date gain and a 6.4% year-to-date return. The Leveraged ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ shows significant momentum with a 7.9% month-to-date advance, while its inverse counterpart SQQ has declined by a corresponding amount.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Apple gained 99 cents to 245.86, showing a very strong positive trend over 2 consecutive up days. Microsoft rose 1.36 to 416.13, despite a strong negative trend. Meta Platforms fell 8.93 to 694.84, while Amazon dropped 3.79 to 222.84, showing downward volatility over 4 days. Meta Platforms shows strong performance year-to-date, with a 186.7% return. Alphabet has struggled this month, with a minus 9.2% return. Microsoft leads the week-to-date returns at 1.9%, while Amazon lags with a minus 2.5% decline over the same period. ScanTech AI Systems led semiconductor gains, surging 15.6% to 3.63 with strong upward volatility. SEALSQ jumped 10.3% to 3.73, while Wolfspeed climbed 7.7% to 7.48, marking its sixth consecutive up-day. ST Microelectronics and Magnachip Semiconductor also posted strong gains of 6.6% and 5.8% respectively. ScanTech AI Systems shows remarkable week-to-date performance with a 77% return. SEALSQ leads month-to-date returns at 143.6%. Despite today's gains, most chip stocks show mixed year-to-date performance, with Magnachip's 25.1% return standing out among the group. SailPoint Technologies achieved a new all-time closing high for the second consecutive day, rising to 65.24. Digital Realty Trust gained 2.39 to 172 over 3 straight-up days. Workday edged up to 261.63, breaking out of 4 days of flat trading. Digital Realty Trust leads week-to-date performance with a 4.7% return. Most cloud computing stocks show modest month-to-date returns, with ANSYS declining 2.9%. Year-to-date performance remains mixed, with slight gains for Workday and Ansys balanced by losses in Microsoft. Teradyne rose 2.2% to 118.55, marking its fifth consecutive up-day. Yaskawa Electric gained 2% to 57.30. Both Aptiv and VanEck broke out of sideways trading patterns with gains of 1.4% and 1.2% respectively. Rockwell Automation added 1.2% to 303.18. Yaskawa Electric leads week-to-date performance with a 4.7% gain. Aptiv and Rockwell Automation show strong month-to-date returns of 8.3% and 8.9% respectively. Year-to-date, Yaskawa and VanEck lead with returns exceeding 12%. Reviewing thematic ETFs in AI and robotics, automation gained 20 cents to 28.39, showing a very strong upward trend and breaking out after consolidation. Robotics rose 16 cents to 44.23, while robotics and AI bull TWACs added 7 cents to 25.85, both displaying very strong positive trends. Looking at returns, robotics and AI bull TWACs leads with a week-to-date return of 3.2% and month-to-date gain of 6.3%. AI and robotics shows strong week-to-date performance at 1.5%, while automation demonstrates solid year-to-date returns of 5.3%. Among electric vehicle stocks, Polestar surged 6.3% to 1.17, breaking out from a week-long consolidation. BYD jumped 5% to 98.63, hitting a new all-time high for the second consecutive day. Li Auto dipped slightly to 26.37, but maintains a very strong upward trend. BYD shows impressive returns with a month-to-date gain of 40.7% and year-to-date return of 45.1%. Polestar demonstrates strong momentum with a week-to-date return of 6.4%, while Li Auto posts solid month-to-date gains of 12.6%. In quantum computing, D-Wave Quantum surged 12.9% to 7.39, showing strong upward momentum. Rigetti Computing advanced 3.9% to 11.47, rising for a second day. Applied Materials gained 1.93 to 175.99, marking its third consecutive day of gains. D-Wave Quantum leads returns with a significant week-to-date gain of 16% and month-to-date return of 24.4%. Applied Materials shows solid week-to-date performance at 4%, while most other quantum computing stocks face challenges in year-to-date returns. In solar stocks, Shoals Technologies rose 6% to 4.59, marking 3 straight days of gains. Canadian Solar advanced 2.7% to 11.35, up for 6 consecutive sessions. Jinko Solar added 2% to 23.68, showing strong upward volatility over the past 5 days. Shoals Technologies leads week-to-date returns at 15.9%, while Jinko Solar shows strong month-to-date gains of 14%. Array Technologies maintains positive year-to-date performance of 14.2%, despite recent sideways movement. Thematic ETFs in the semiconductor space show strong momentum. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF and SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF both display strong upward trends. The iShares Semiconductor ETF has closed higher for 8 consecutive days, while the iShares Exponential Technologies ETF achieved new one-year highs for 3 straight sessions. The First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF leads week-to-date returns at 4.3%, with an average daily gain of 1.4%. The iShares Semiconductor ETF shows the strongest month-to-date performance, up 5.9%. Year-to-date, the iShares Exponential Technologies ETF leads the group with a 7.3% return.
Thanks for watching. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.